Top 10 Software Tester Interview Questions and Answers. Software testing is a critical phase in the software development lifecycle, ensuring that the final product meets the required standards of quality, functionality, and performance. As the demand for skilled software testers continues to grow, so does the complexity of interview questions designed to assess a candidate's expertise. This article delves into the top 10 software tester interview questions, providing detailed answers to help candidates prepare effectively. Each question is followed by a comprehensive explanation, offering insights into what interviewers are looking for and how to articulate your responses to demonstrate your proficiency in software testing. 1. What is software testing, and why is it important? Software testing is the process of evaluating a software application to identify any discrepancies between expected and actual results. It involves executing a program or system with the intent of finding errors, ensuring that the software meets the specified requirements, and verifying that it is fit for use. The importance of software testing cannot be overstated, as it plays a crucial role in delivering a high-quality product. Testing helps in identifying defects early in the development cycle, which reduces the cost of fixing them later. It also ensures that the software is reliable, secure, and performs well under different conditions. Moreover, testing provides stakeholders with confidence in the product's quality, which is essential for customer satisfaction and business success. 2. What are the different types of software testing? Software testing can be broadly categorized into two main types: manual testing and automated testing. Manual testing involves human testers executing test cases without the use of automation tools. It is often used for exploratory, usability, and ad hoc testing. Automated testing, on the other hand, uses scripts and tools to perform tests, making it ideal for repetitive tasks, regression testing, and load testing. Unit testing focuses on individual components or modules, while integration testing checks the interaction between integrated modules. System testing evaluates the complete and integrated software system, and acceptance testing ensures that the software meets the business requirements and is ready for deployment. 3. What is the difference between verification and validation? Verification and validation are two fundamental aspects of software testing. Often referred to as V&V, verification is the process of evaluating whether the software product complies with the specified requirements. It involves reviews, walkthroughs, and inspections to ensure that the software is being developed correctly. Validation, on the other hand, is the process of assessing whether the software meets the user's needs and expectations. It involves actual testing of the software to ensure that it functions as intended in real-world scenarios. In simpler terms, verification answers the question, "Are we building the product right?" while validation answers, "Are we building the right product?" Both processes are essential for delivering a high-quality software product. 4. What is a test case, and what are its key components? A test case is a set of conditions or variables under which a tester will determine whether a system under test satisfies requirements or works correctly. It is a detailed document that outlines the steps to be executed, the input data, the expected results, and the actual results. The key components of a test case include the test case ID, test description, preconditions, test steps, expected results, actual results, and status. The test case ID is a unique identifier for the test case, while the test description provides a brief overview of what the test case is intended to achieve. Preconditions specify any conditions that must be met before the test can be executed. Test steps outline the sequence of actions to be performed, and expected results describe what the outcome should be. Actual results are recorded after the test is executed, and the status indicates whether the test passed or failed. 5. What is the difference between functional and non-functional testing? Functional testing focuses on verifying that the software functions as intended, ensuring that each feature works according to the specified requirements. It includes tests like unit testing, integration testing, system testing, and acceptance testing. Non-functional testing, on the other hand, evaluates aspects of the software that are not related to specific functions or features. This includes performance testing, load testing, stress testing, usability testing, and security testing. Performance testing checks how the system performs under various conditions, while load testing evaluates the system's behavior under expected load levels. Stress testing assesses the system's stability under extreme conditions, and usability testing ensures that the software is user-friendly. Security testing identifies vulnerabilities and ensures that the software is secure from potential threats. 6. What is regression testing, and when is it performed? Regression testing is a type of software testing that ensures that recent code changes have not adversely affected the existing functionality of the software. It involves rerunning previously executed test cases to verify that the software still performs as expected after modifications. Regression testing is typically performed after bug fixes, enhancements, or any changes to the codebase. It is crucial for maintaining the stability and reliability of the software, as even small changes can introduce new defects or impact existing features. Automated regression testing is often used to streamline the process, especially in large and complex systems where manual regression testing would be time-consuming and error-prone. 7. What is the difference between black box and white box testing? Black box testing and white box testing are two distinct approaches to software testing. Black box testing focuses on the external behavior of the software, without any knowledge of the internal code structure. Testers evaluate the software based on the requirements and specifications, treating the system as a black box. This type of testing includes functional testing, system testing, and acceptance testing. White box testing, on the other hand, involves testing the internal structure, design, and code of the software. Testers have full access to the source code and use this knowledge to design test cases. White box testing includes unit testing, integration testing, and code coverage analysis. Both approaches are essential for comprehensive software testing, as they address different aspects of the software's quality. 8. What is a bug lifecycle, and what are its stages? The bug lifecycle, also known as the defect lifecycle, describes the stages a bug goes through from the time it is identified until it is resolved. The stages typically include new, assigned, open, fixed, retest, verified, and closed. When a bug is first identified, it is logged and marked as new. It is then assigned to a developer for investigation. Once the developer acknowledges the bug, it is marked as open. After the developer fixes the bug, it is marked as fixed and sent for retesting. If the bug is no longer present, it is marked as verified. Finally, the bug is closed once it is confirmed that the issue has been fully resolved. Understanding the bug lifecycle is crucial for effective defect management and ensuring that issues are tracked and resolved efficiently. 9. What is the importance of test documentation? Test documentation is a critical aspect of the software testing process, providing a detailed record of the testing activities, results, and outcomes. It includes documents such as test plans, test cases, test scripts, and test reports. Test documentation serves several important purposes. It provides a clear and structured approach to testing, ensuring that all aspects of the software are thoroughly evaluated. It also facilitates communication among team members, stakeholders, and other parties involved in the project. Test documentation serves as a reference for future testing efforts, helping to identify areas that may need further attention. Additionally, it provides evidence of the testing process, which can be useful for audits, compliance, and quality assurance purposes. 10. How do you prioritize test cases? Prioritizing test cases is an essential aspect of effective test management, especially when time and resources are limited. Test cases are typically prioritized based on factors such as the criticality of the feature, the risk of failure, the frequency of use, and the impact on the user. High-priority test cases are those that cover critical functionalities, have a high risk of failure, or are frequently used by end users. Medium-priority test cases cover important but less critical functionalities, while low-priority test cases are those that cover less critical or rarely used features. Prioritizing test cases ensures that the most important aspects of the software are tested first, reducing the risk of major defects in the final product. It also helps in optimizing the use of resources, ensuring that testing efforts are focused on areas that will have the greatest impact on the software's quality. Preparing for a software tester interview requires a deep understanding of both theoretical concepts and practical applications. The top 10 questions discussed in this article cover a wide range of topics, from the basics of software testing to more advanced concepts like regression testing and test case prioritization. By thoroughly understanding these questions and practicing your responses, you can demonstrate your expertise and increase your chances of success in your next software tester interview. Remember, the key to a successful interview is not just knowing the answers but also being able to articulate them clearly and confidently. Good luck!